Hey guys, Gunwild here, and welcome to EDC on a Budget. Today I'm bringing you a different kind of item. This is a JTEC Tactical Ink Pen model M12. Now this is a 6.5 inch long tactical pen that is constructed out of hardened, high strength, lightweight aluminum with a matte black finish. It has a DNA catcher on the end here. If you were to use this for self-defense, you would jab it into your attacker and you twist it, and these are quite sharp, so it's going to be ripping out some flesh. Now in this DNA collector is also a built-in LED light. You give this a couple of twists and an LED light turns on. It's not very bright. It's probably maybe 2 or 3 lumen. I really couldn't find the exact amount of lumen that this is, but it's just enough to where maybe, I don't know, you needed to find the keyhole in your door lock or whatever if you didn't leave your porch light on. You know, in the darkness, this is very bright. Now, and that runs off of 2 lithium batteries, the button style. Now the cap is a snap-on cap, which snaps on to the back side also for when you're writing. It has a glass breaking tip right here. Now I think this is kind of flawed, that glass breaking tip, because, well, when you want to use it, if you hit like this, the pen is going to slip out of your hand, so you're going to want to put your thumb up here, but that DNA collector right there might puncture a hole in your thumb, so that's kind of a flaw in the design in my opinion. Now this pen takes Parker refills. Open this up here, and I found that these cartridges, the ink cartridges that come with it, do not last very long. They have to be replaced fairly quickly. But you can find these refills at any stationery store, probably markets as well. This pen is a lightweight at 2 ounces. It only weighs 2 ounces, and it's very inexpensive. This is $13.95 on eBay. Let's see, I've been using this for quite some time now, and it works very well. I normally put it in a side cargo pocket. The pocket clip on it isn't very deep, but it works fine in a cargo pocket for my uses anyway. And just been a good pen. Now I have an extra one to give away right there, and all you have to do is in the comment section write "I want in," and you'll have a chance to win that ink pen. Now I'm not sure when I'm going to upload this video, so I will annotate the ending date down in here, or in this area, and give one lucky winner this ink pen. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Goodbye.